head was underwater.
My guy laced your boots up. And is your tool belt who shows up to a job site with an empty tool belt? Look, put the lumber down. I'm gonna give you two options. You can go dig post holes by hand for $12 an hour, or you can go the fuck home. Does anybody want to tell me where this contraption has been for, I don't know, my entire life? It turns any grinder into a portable chop saw and actually works surprisingly well. It would have taken me twice as long to cut through this rebar without the magical grindy contraption. 10 out of 10.